Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 2 of my birthday vlog. Today is the 18th of August and अभी शाम ही हुई है, like literally 5:15 बजे है and I have been receiving parcels randomly, like मुझे नहीं पता किसने send किया है. I will have to talk to my friends obviously. So पहले मेरे को Mad Over Donuts से donuts आए and now I got McD का parcel. जिसमें there's like आलू टिक्की fries and all, and I don't know किसने send की है ये सब. I will have to call my friends and figure out who it is. But I was not expecting to start the vlog right now. मैंने सोचा था कि रात को करूँगी when I'll celebrate at 12 o'clock, but it seems like we have to start it now. So I'm gonna eat my McD right now. And hopefully और अगर कुछ हो तो I will keep you guys updated. But I love how it's become a 2-part vlog, where the last part, if you guys have not checked the part 1, definitely check it out. I'm going to link it up here and in the description for you guys to check out. Tomorrow is going to be an exciting day. It's going to be a chill birthday vlog. ऐसे कुछ ज़्यादा happening नहीं हो रहा है, but that's how I wanted to be, very chill, very, you know, like ठीक है हो गया birthday वैसे, you know. I think 24 is when you're not too into your birthday. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a while in case something happens, or then I'll see you guys at night. Okay guys, it's post dinner and I have actually straightened my hair, but abhi upar banda hai because I spontaneously decided to do like a body polish. So basically I'm like gonna do a facial, like a face glow up kind of thing. I just spontaneously decided it. To 9 o'clock hua abhi. I just have my bucket, my this thing ready over here, and I'm gonna mix and match. I don't think ऐसा कुछ drastic difference होगा, and also my skin is doing good. I just want to do it because I want to feel the vibe. Honestly, I'm feeling a little sad, or not feeling a lot of happiness and excitement. I'm going to be honest, it's because of everything that has been happening around the Kolkata case, and it's something which has affected me a lot. I talked about it quite a lot on my Instagram in the initial few days, but I think I just went too deep into it and it was affecting me mentally a lot, and that is why I just decided to take a break from it. And you know, like, I do my part, but I want to do it silently and, you know, in a way that is healthy and not let it affect me so much mentally, because like even now when I think about it, like I just like tear up. It's just horrible, and I don't know, whatever. So yeah, so I just kind of want to lighten my mood a little bit and get through with it. So I'm gonna do that and I'll show you guys how it feels afterwards. In case you wanna know in detail कि वो क्या है कैसा है, I think last year I did a detailed video on that, so I'll leave that down in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay, so I am done with it, and I think I can definitely feel that my skin is a lot cleaner with everything that I had put, and a little brighter. मैं इतना ज़्यादा difference तो definitely I don't think any facial gives you, but it just gives me a feeling of, you know, like pampering my skin and just feeling clean all the way. Now I'm gonna show you guys what is the next step that I'm gonna do. It's just kind of adding to the vibe of my, you know, birthday thing. So a lot of times, you know, when I order stuff online, or, you know, just like a brand strategy, they send you like skincare samples, makeup samples and stuff like that. So I have two. I have one from L'Occitane, and then I have one from Estee Lauder. So Estee Lauder is like the night repair, so that's what I'm going to use. I used half of it yesterday and I still have half of the serum left. It is their advanced night repair serum, so that's what I'm going to use on my face right now. It's very, very hydrating, and yeah, overall it's a good serum. Definitely not something I'm gonna splurge on because it's insanely expensive, and I think this might last me even more, like one more use. But I've taken like that much and like a little more on a finger, and I'm just gonna blend it out like any regular serum, taking more quantity because abhi meko zyada din rakhna nahi hai, especially like an open packet. This one smells more like a vitamin C serum, to be honest, and this red tint is from the Face Shop tint that I had applied, which is not going off, so I'm gonna try and rub it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna basically apply the serum all over my neck face, neck, a little bit under my eyes as well. I just have like one pimple right here, but if I look straight, it's not even that noticeable. So yeah, that is with the serum that I'm doing. And once this dries down, I'm just gonna go in with my regular moisturizer, which is I'm gonna put like more hydrating stuff so that over the night it heals. But I have been obsessed with this one. This is the Venusia Acne Control Moisturizer, which was prescribed to me by my dermat, and it is an absolute gem of a product. If you're someone looking for a good gel based moisturizer that's absolutely hydrating and nourishing, good for oily acne prone skin, definitely check this one out. I'll link it down in the description. But yeah, that is it, and I will see you guys after some time now when I get ready for 12 a.m. We have another surprise, which is a cake. It's a mystery figuring out who's sending what, but I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator. Maybe I'll open it and see kaun sa wala hai actually. Oh, that looks so good. I finally turned 24, and you guys saw like it was literally so many people on the call. So cute. I'm not gonna cut the cake right now. All of that will happen tomorrow, but I have a lot of sweet options. I'm gonna eat the gulab jamun that my mom made. I don't want to eat a lot of sweet, and she especially like made this for my birthday, so that is what I'm gonna devour because it's so yummy. Here's to my 24th birthday. So good, these are so good. And I like minis because it's like so easy to eat as well. All done. And well, it's just 12:15, so I'm just gonna like talk to a few more friends and reply to the text and everything. But yeah, that's basically it, and I'm gonna put myself to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I wake up. Good morning, guys. It is 9:30 and I've ordered my McDonald's iced coffee because I really love it. So it's about to be here. We're gonna have it together. I'll show you guys. So good, perfect start to my birthday. I love McDonald's iced coffee. Like, okay, the iced coffee, not any cold coffee or anything else, just the iced coffee. If you're someone who does not like coffee or tea or anything with milk particularly in it, you need to give this a shot because it is so good. It has creamer in it, and oh my god, so good. Okay, I'm all showered and dressed up. The outfit I'm wearing is from H&M. I will put up a get ready with me short so you can check that out. But it's time to do my skincare, and again for the morning I'm using the L'Occitane sample kit. So it's the I think it's the Luminosity Reset Serum or whatever. ये मैंने कल मॉर्निंग में यूज़ किया था और थोड़ा बचा हुआ है. So I will use it right now. This one is kind of like a thicker serum as compared to the Estee Lauder one. It's more like gel, I would say, like not a serum-y consistency. It's more like a gel consistency, but like I'm gonna make the most out of it. It smells really good though. It smells like very like Indian. How do I say, like, you know, very Indian types, like those olden like fragrances. Yeah, but this one is actually really hydrating. So honestly, इसके ऊपर you can skip moisturizer as well, and you can see like it gives that beautiful glow to your skin. इसमें you are feeling it very dark, but in general, if I show you like in natural lighting, it gives a very beautiful glow to the skin. So right now I think I'm gonna make a few calls because a lot of people had called me and I was in the shower, so I couldn't answer. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna film a get ready with me. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then Heta is gonna come around like 12 o'clock, 12:15ish, because she wants to wear my outfit. So I was like, you can come, you can wear whatever you want from my closet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll get ready. I'll show you guys. I think I'll probably tell her to, you know, kind of open the gifts here only, and then we go, rather than carrying it all to the restaurant. So that's what we'll do. But whatever it is, I'll catch up with you guys quickly, like once I'm getting ready. And I also, you guys, today is the day we are gonna open my Burberry perfume. This I was saving for my birthday. I especially bought it for my birthday. Like, you guys will also see this in the gifts ka video, like the whole way how I purchased and whatever. But I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna wear this. This is gonna be my fragrance of the day, so I'll share that with you guys like whenever I'm opening it and spritzing it. But yeah, that is about it, and I'll catch up with you guys really quickly. I'm all ready. If you guys want to know my outfit details and my makeup details, I'm gonna put separate shots, so make sure you check them out. But it's time to open this stunner right here. You'll get a little bit of background noise, but don't mind it. Oh my god, I have been waiting to open this and apply it on my body. It smells stunning. Right now I'm all sweaty, so I think I'm gonna wipe off some sweat first. I'm gonna pull back my hair a little bit. I don't know if I can apply perfumes on my jewelry, but it is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna open it with you guys. Here is the bottle. Oh my god, it is liquid gold in here, like so stunning. This is a showpiece on your vanity. Smells so good. If you love vanilla based perfumes, you are gonna love this one. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh, I love it. I'm not gonna spritz a lot, but I'm so excited. I finally get to use this like goddess. It's literally the goddess perfume. I think Hate is here, so I'm gonna open the door.
You're looking so cute. I actually love your dress.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Okay, you can't show my outfit because I have my wedding.
Yeah, why you like?
Class for beautiful.
Oh,
lady.
thank you.
And this is just in my house, and
I saw that day.
I was like, why not just take it?
So cute. I need to clear up the mess behind. But
I don't know.
She wore my outfit.
I don't know. Yeah, it's so cute.
You guys,
I had my eyes on this outfit since a very long time, and I finally
Dot only, yeah.
put very little.
Now wait. Like,
So when will this get over?
Never.
The way we are.
I can pass it on to my kids.
Yeah, and this is mini.
No, it's full size. Now.
Oh, this is puff. This is one drop.
Yeah, you wanna blend it more, like however you feel. Like I have brush also if you want.
No, this is best.
I put the Smashbox ka tint today. But my makeup is looking very matte.
I can't. The worst is I can't even see how I'm looking. I need to go closer. Should I keep it? I think I should.
Not now,
No.
please. You look like you've gotten some eye surgery done.
Then I will have to keep wearing my specs.
No, not right now. Come
You
here.
said I look like. Oh.
No, I'm just saying like
Weird.
your eyes look small. No, that is why.
That is true. Imagine how I look without. Oh, he's orchid. Right. I think I fight with
Like
that flower
this.
guy every time.
That ordered.
Yeah. So this.
So-
Nectar wanted scandalous gift.
I wanted a swimsuit. Oh, the color is even more prettier.
so
Why
pretty.
does it?
But
Why
you-
do they send a hanger? I don't
I don't
understand.
know. But did you want? You were okay with this?
Yeah.
I was just not sure if you would like those.
Yeah.
Prospect, maybe she's seen it.
No, I
It
saw
looks
it.
very
So it's
cute.
like a one-shoulder swimsuit, and the color is even more pretty. It's like a proper wine color.
Wine mauve.
Online
Yeah.
it looked like more like a maroon, but it's very pretty with like these detailing. Look actually like cool with it,
Very cute.
and even the material is nice. So that's what I got. Bus and metro is like a never-ending thing for our birthdays.
Never.
It's always a metro. Yeah. Why you wanna say? No, it's too much. Your wheels. Yeah, like a lot of cute stuff.
Look at a cute picture.
Nice decor and nice vibe. Bro, I'm gonna tell you an incident. It's like, is it good? It's not soggy at all.
At all.
Otherwise, sushi gets soggy very quickly.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really nice.
Really nice.
Guava.
Yeah, आपने ओलू मंगा लिया है?
यार थोड़ा हाथ तो आवश्य भाई.
What?
If you say that it's good and I really want to eat more.
Ramen.
Yeah. Because you were against it.
I was against it, but I love the ramen.
Yeah, it's really
So
good.
good.
Just like so spicy. You like all spicy stuff. We always look good in the rickshaw. Like always.
The best in the rickshaw. Like the lighting is somehow so
Yeah.
pretty.
But it was a good lunch date. The food was also very good.
I like the food a lot more than Mittal did. But
Yeah, I like the starters more. The mains were okay-ish.
I liked everything.
But still a good place to visit. And the pictures where we got are so good. So follow on
I'm so
Instagram.
surprised because I'm not even like put so much makeup this time. Usually I dress up so much and just take
Yeah.
shit photos. But this time I was like great. And we had a lot of things to like catch
Talk
up
about,
on and
yeah.
talk about.
We had a good conversation.
We shared a lot of secrets about not about each other that we know, about other people.
But it was good.
Great.
Guys, I'm home and I actually changed my outfit to this beautiful, like, I don't know what, fish cut, I think this is what is called, a fish cut outfit. It's a beautiful wine shade. I removed my makeup as well, changed my jewelry, and I'm wearing the Dior's lip balm right now. That's all I have, and I'm gonna be taking a nap because I'm tired. It is 5:15 right now, so maybe around 6 o'clock I'll like be lazing around in bed, and then we'll see kya karna hai raat ko. We have to cut the cake as well, so yeah. Hey guys, I have a few guests coming home, so I thought I will get ready and I can share that with you guys, like a quick no makeup, like no base get ready with me. I'm just gonna do my hair first. So I'm wearing this outfit that I showed you guys, but I'm gonna start pairing some matching like lip shades and lip combos and stuff. I have the Dior ka lip gloss that I'm gonna wipe off now. I just put some eyeliner and mascara, like very basic stuff. I don't want to do a lot, but I definitely want to have a lot of blush, so I'm just gonna add some powder blush. I don't want to waste my rare beauty, so let me just add some powder blush. This is the Maybelline, which is probably discontinued. Like, I don't know why Maybelline brings in blushes and then it just randomly decides to discontinue those blushes. It's a beautiful blush that has a nice sheen to it. It's like a very subtle sheen, so it kind of gives you that glowy, dewy, blushed makeup look, which I really love. It's a wine shade and it's very beautiful. I love Maybelline blushes because they do have some sheen, but it looks very beautiful on the face when you apply it. Like, look at that. That is so pretty, and the pigment is perfect. I don't like very pigmented blushes, honestly. I like something which has like, you know, lesser intensity pigmentation. So I love to build it up as per my thing. Like, you know, on days when I'm not wearing a base, I don't need a lot of blush to build on, because I'm not gonna set it with a powder or anything, you know. So that's an, and then when I have my makeup on, I can kind of build it up as much as I like it. So yeah, I love Maybelline blushes because they're always like the right amount of pigment. Next, I think I'm gonna go in with a Smashbox lipstick. Probably this shade, I believe. Let me just see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Only thing that I don't like about such dark shades is that they turn really patchy. Like you can see in the middle, it's like so patchy, but it looks stunning. This is in the shade Disorderly. I will link it down. It's a very beautiful bold shade. And I'm just gonna put in some highlighter. I'm using the Becca's Champagne Pop highlighter. It's a oh, it's broke. It broke, guys. Look at that. It broke. But it's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. It's a champagne gold shade. I don't think I can take this for travel anymore, but okay. Just gonna put it in the inner corner. Look at that. Like, look at that pigmentation only. So stunning. You guys can rate it down in the comments and let me know. I will sit down with my guests and then we are gonna cut the cake. So I will see you guys then. But I love it. I love this look so much with this outfit. It's so pretty.
Happy birthday.
That is pretty much it for my birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I actually went out to meet a friend after dinner and then I got back and it's almost 11:30 right now. I'm going to go to bed because I need to get back to work tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the birthday series. It was not a lot. It was like a very chill, low-key birthday, but I had fun and I spent good time with my friends and family. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.